How to make money using the Temu affiliate program. If you are wondering how to make money using the Temu affiliate program, watch this video till the end. The first step is to download the app and open it. Once you open the app, you need to log into your account. And once you're logged in, you can find the U page at the bottom of the screen. Once you go to the use page and scroll down to the bottom, you can find the settings page. Open the settings and make sure that your country and region is set to US and your currency is also set to USD. Once you have done that, go back to the U page. Now, you can find categories at the bottom of your page. Click on categories and search for affiliate program in the search bar. So currently, this event is not available in our region. However, if you are a user residing in the US region, the affiliate program page would look something like this. With this program, you can make money by referring people to download the app using your link or any other products using your link. Every time they use your link to download, you can earn up to 20% commission per download. For every new user that downloads using your link, you get a $5 referral. Once you have $20 in your account, you can transfer it to your PayPal account and use it. If you like this video, subscribe for more.